everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's wig review, front wig by Sensational. This is the Butta Lace HD lace front wig in the shade T4 Golden Brown. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. So we're gonna take the wig out the box, and this wig comes in all these different shades. It comes in 613, black, 1B, T4 Golden Brown, which is the color I have, and all these other shades right here. And this is the Butta Lace Unit 3. So this is how the wig is looking. Look at this, like this looks so nice. I love how soft the hair is, like, oh my god. And I love the color. Okay, so let's open this up. And the wig has baby hairs on it. See? Oh, look at this. And it's so long, and I love the curl pattern. It's like a water wave texture. Oh, okay, and the wig comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and wig straps in the back. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so obsessed with this wig. I love this texture. I love this length. This is really nice. And it's so comfortable. I love how soft the hair is. Like, this is really nice. So now I'm going to insert the combs in the wig. Make sure this part is straight. Hold on. Where did the comb? Okay. Okay, and the wig has baby hairs too. Okay, so this is how the wig looks. Look at this. Oh my gosh. See, if I stand up, like it comes to my hips. See? Okay, so now I'm going to lay the lace using this Got To Be freeze spray. And I'm going to use my blow dryer. Put it on cool. Okay, so now it's time to cut the lace. So I'm going to start in the middle. And make sure I cut all this lace off. It's probably not all cut off. Okay guys, so I'm done cutting the lace. As you guys can see, it's nice and laid, nice and melted. And I just love this wig. Like, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Like, I love the color. I love how soft it is. Sensational. Really, really, really love their wigs. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Bye.